Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you easy chicken chili recipe and it's really quick to prepare. So let's get started. So for this I have taken 1 pound chicken. I have 1 medium-sized green capsicum, half red capsicum and 2 jalapeno pepper and 1 medium-sized tomato, and I have slice of 3 garlic cloves and 1 medium-sized onion and 2 green chilies, some slice of ginger, and I have 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and I have 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt for taste, and oil to prepare this. So first I'm gonna marinate the chicken. So for that I will add some turmeric powder and salt, red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder and mix it. So I'll keep this chicken for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna fry this. So in a pan, I'm gonna add oil, now the oil is heated, so I'm gonna add this chicken pieces. And I'm going to fry this chicken until it turns into a golden brown color. So now the chicken is ready. I'm going to transfer this in a plate. The same way I'm going to fry this. So this is also ready. I'll transfer in a plate. So again in a pan I'm gonna add oil. Two tablespoons of oil. So oil is heated. I'll add this garlic and ginger, then add green chilies and onion, then I'm gonna add this jalapeno pepper and red capsicum, green capsicum, tomato, and mix it. Then I'll add cumin and coriander powder, red chili powder and salt. Mix it nicely. Then I will add soy sauce chili sauce and ketchup. Mix it. And I will add this fried chicken. Mix it nicely. So now our chicken chili is ready. Now our chicken chili is ready to be served and looks yummy. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you liked the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.